Welcome to Don Bosco Technical Center, Kandy, where passion meets purpose and dreams take flight the Don Bosco way. Here, we shape the future with hands-on training, discipline, and a commitment to excellence. Are you ready to chase your dreams? Learning beyond the classroom. At Don Bosco Technical Center, education is more than theory. It's an adventure. Our students gain real-world experience by visiting top hotels and industries, witnessing firsthand the skills and professionalism needed to succeed. Through these field visits, they step into the world of hospitality, sharpening their expertise and preparing for a bright future. Bridging education and industry. At Don Bosco Technical Center, we believe in learning by doing. Our students don't just study, they experience. Through industry visits, hands-on training, and direct interactions with professionals, they gain invaluable insights into the dynamic world of hospitality and technical trades. These real-world experiences empower them with the confidence, skills, and network to excel in their careers and uphold the Don Bosco legacy of excellence. Don Bosco Technical Center is ever grateful to the management and staff of Sigiriya Jungles for their generosity, availability, and warm hospitality. Their kindness has provided our students with invaluable exposure to the hospitality industry, inspiring them to embrace excellence and sustainability in their careers. This immersive experience has been a truly enriching journey, and we extend our heartfelt appreciation for their support. Overlooking the iconic Sigiriya Rock Fortress, Sigiriya Jungles is your gateway to luxury and adventure in Sri Lanka's cultural triangle. Nestled amidst 10 acres of lush greenery, this serene retreat blends modern comfort with nature's tranquility, offering a perfect escape into history and heritage. Experience spacious chalets, open-air dining, and world-class hospitality, all while staying in a safe, health-compliant environment. At Sigiriya Jungles, your journey into luxury and culture begins.